Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to demonstrate the Sebo Felix Rosso bagged upright vacuum cleaner. This model was kindly supplied to me by AO.com and you'll find a link to the product underneath the video. As well as the power head, the Felix Rosso comes complete with a combi head for carpets and hard floors, a crevice tool and an upholstery nozzle. During the demonstrations, I'll be showing you how the Felix cleans hard floors using the power nozzle with the brush turned off and the straight suction combi head in its hard floor setting. I'll be testing pet hair pickup from a medium pile rug and general dirt from a short pile carpet. I'll also be looking at the cleaning tools for your above the floor jobs, including vacuuming stairs. For the hard floor demonstrations, I'll be attempting to pick up rolled oats, rice, loose leaf tea and flour. For the first test, I'm using the power head on height setting 2 with the brush roll turned off using suction only. I'm passing the Sebo Felix through the middle of this dirt on its maximum suction setting, and as you can see it copes pretty well with the larger particles. Though it has left some of the flour, but that result may be improved by using the cleaner head on setting 1. However, the larger particle pickup may be impaired on the lower height setting. I found the Felix Rosso easy to maneuver around furniture with its swivel neck and comfortable hand grip. It did pick up everything from the floor apart from a small amount of the flour. Next I'm going to see how well the power head cleans up to the edge and from the front of the nozzle. Using the same type of debris I picked up in the previous demonstration, I'm passing the Felix forward and back with the right side of the power head up against the skirting board. Predictably, it left some of the flour in the middle of the cleaned path, plus quite a few particles from the front. It did better up to the edge with only some of the flour left behind. Using the left side of the cleaner, we got similar results, with only some of the flour left uncleaned. Now I'm going to swap the ET1 power head for the straight suction combi nozzle to see if it fares any better. With the brush on the combi nozzle down, I'm passing the Felix through the dirt again, and initially it seems to do a very good job, until I pull the nozzle back and you'll see all the dirt it leaves behind. You can also see here the amount of dirt that the nozzle snowplowed. Cleaning up to the edge gave a similar result with an impressive first pass until the nozzle was pulled back, leaving a lot of dirt on the floor. You'll also notice that the combi head didn't clean very well from the front. Again, I used the Felix to clean up all the mess, and eventually it did pick everything up, but it took multiple passes to remove the rolled oats. The floor was left clean though, with even the flour removed. The next demonstration will be pet hair removal from a medium pile rug, and special thanks go to Daisy for providing the hair. As I'm cleaning a medium pile rug, I'll be using setting 3 on the power nozzle. The Felix picks up the majority of Daisy's hair in the first path, with absolutely no trace left behind when the cleaner is pulled back. I don't like to leave a mess, so I'm using the Felix to remove all the hair, leaving a well-groomed, very clean rug. I find this cleaner easy to push on different types of carpeting, and the swivel neck makes the machine very maneuverable. Well, after that short musical interlude, we can see the Sebo Felix picking up a variety of dust, fluff and fibres from a short pile carpet. If it can cope with this extreme example, it should have no problems cleaning the average home. Clean as you go, that's my motto, and clean I certainly will with this fantastic German-made vacuum cleaner from Sebo. The Felix has a Which Best Buy and is also approved by the Good Housekeeping Institute. Sebo cleaners are used in commercial environments all around the world, including cleaning the White House and Buckingham Palace, so if they're good enough for the Queen and President, they're good enough for me. All Sebo domestic cleaners come with a free 5-year parts and labour guarantee, but it's unlikely you'll need service during this time, as Sebo vacuums often come tops in reliability surveys. After all that cleaning, it might be time for a new bag, and bag changing on the Felix is quick and hygienic. With a cap to seal the dirt in, there's no dust clouds often associated with bagless cleaners. The onboard hose allows you to clean above the floor, but it is quite short, so you'll need to hold the cleaner to prevent it from toppling over. An optional stair cleaning hose is available to give you extra reach. The Felix can be used in handheld mode by collapsing the handle and removing the power nozzle. You can now carry the cleaner using the built-in handle. This enables you to clean your stairs more easily. Alternatively, stairs can be cleaned with the power nozzle still attached, with the cleaner balanced on a step. Maintaining or replacing the brush roll is an easy job on the Felix. The brush simply slides out, allowing better access for cleaning. So to sum up, would I recommend the Sebo Felix Rosso? In a word, yes, and I'm not just saying that because I was given this model free from AO.com. I've recommended the Felix for many years and it's been my top choice for people looking for a good quality, reliable, bagged upright cleaner. The hard floor results were mixed, with the power head doing better at removing larger particles than the combi head, though the combi head did better at picking up fine dust. Pet hair pickup is excellent, with all of Daisy's hair being removed quickly and effectively from my medium pile rug. I had fun trampling in a load of mess into my living room carpet, but I wasn't worried as I knew the Felix would be able to clean it all up. I hope you found this review useful, and if you have any questions about the Sebo Felix, please comment below and I'll do my best to answer them. And don't forget to click on the link where you'll find further details and current pricing from AO.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye for now.